Relaunched on the beat.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kiera, and I'm back with another entrepreneur video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own rose like lip oils. So I'm getting everything out the closet because I had a whole bunch of stuff that came in from like Amazon and different places, and I had it all just piled up like in the closet. So I'm getting ready to get that stuff out, and then y'all can see my baby, like she's in the back, like just chilling. So I'm getting ready to prep my area, sanitize my area, so I can go ahead and make these lip oils. I am putting these on my website for my relaunch. My lashes just came in. I gotta take product pictures. I have so much to do in like a little time, but I'm thinking about pushing my relaunch date back because it was supposed to be the 22nd, and tomorrow's 22nd, and one of my items I needed is not actually here yet, so I can't make two of my other products. So I gotta kind of wait until it comes in. So I might just do my lashes and my lip oils, and I also got to make something else as well. That'll be another video, or I might try to do 2 videos in one day, just knock it out the park. But we'll see how Miss behaves. So yeah, so let me go ahead and just get all this stuff ready so I can set up my area to get ready to make these oils. And excuse how I look, like this is how mom life looks. Like, I just had a baby, and I really haven't had a chance to really get myself together. I've been good keeping my hair up, but I'm just really focused on like my eyebrows and my hair. I was getting my nails done, but with her, I just didn't really feel comfortable having my nails done for real. So I just said I'll just keep getting my nails, keep getting my hair and like my eyebrows done, no, all in the face. And yeah, like I'm not really concerned about nails right now. So I'm just rocking, thugging it out, you know? So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can just see me and watch me do it, you know? These are my lashes. I'm not gonna show y'all these yet, for real, but if y'all wanna like, I'm just gonna like take private pictures of those and just post it on my business page. This is how I know I'm so backed up, because I still gotta update my website and everything. I mean, I kind of did update it, but I still gotta add like all these products to my website. It's ridiculous. Like COVID is just messing up everything, y'all. Like, I'm so over it. Okay, so let me set y'all up so y'all can see what they do. So let me do that. Okay, so y'all can't like really like see me. At least you can see me a little bit. I gotta kind of like bend down. Okay, so like, oh my god, it is so messy back here. Don't pay this stuff no mind. Okay, so I have my clear plastic bowl to mix my lip oil in. I have my rose petals. Get me some paper towels. I know y'all see me rinsing this out. I'm gonna go wash it out, and I dried it off with the paper towels. Then my Versagel. I got some sweet almond oil. I have some vitamin E. I got a syringe to put it into the tubes. And I have my flavoring oils. And also we are going to be using organic, cold pressed, unrefined coconut oil. Okay, y'all, so I had stopped talking at this point because I was really trying to focus. So for this part, you can use whatever oils you like, whatever you desire. I use the almond oil, the coconut oil, and vitamin E. So you can put as much as you want and whatever oils you want. So for me, I put 5 tablespoons of the almond oil, and I put 5 tablespoons of the coconut oil, and I think I put like 3 teaspoons of the vitamin E oil. So it's all about how you want it to be, your consistency that you want it. It's all up to you. Oh my God, I just spilled that. But it's all up to you. I say to measure so you can like write it down, or so you can remember like how much you put in there, so it won't be different every time. But if you're the type of person who can kind of remember on the top of their heads, or you know what kind of consistency you're looking for, then hey, go for it that way. But me, I like to just write it down like I did after this video, so I know I'll know how much I put in there each and every time, so it won't be different. But it's totally up to you. So now I'm just mixing the almond oil and the coconut oil in really good, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add the vitamin E oil, and y'all can just watch me whip this bad boy up. Okay, y'all, so I don't know if I mentioned it, but I sanitized my work area, the surface, and I sanitized the bowl and everything that I'm using. And in the video I recorded before this one, I showed how I sanitize my tubes that I'm going to put my lip oils in. So sanitation is key. Make sure that you clean your items, your products, or whatever you're using, because you want to make sure that you're not contaminating the surface or, your products. So just make sure you clean, clean, clean. So coming up, this is about the consistency that I'm looking for. This is just about right. So remember what I said earlier, I told y'all all the measurements that I use, so you can put it as much as you like. You don't have to put the same amount as I did. You can put as much as you want, but this is how I like mine to be. So now we're going to get ready to fill up the tubes. So it's the next day. I had to finish recording this video the next day because my tubes were still wet. You don't want to put no oils in wet tubes. This will reduce your shelf life of anything. If you put any products in water, scrubs, lotions, or whatever, it will mess it up. So I had to make sure that they were dry. So now that they are completely dry, now we can start filling these tubes up. So I'm going to fill these up with the rose petals first. I tried to put the rose petals inside of the oil, the lip oil, while I was in the container, but that didn't work out. So I just put it in the tubes, and then I filled it up with the lip oil. So I'm going to fill these up with the rose petals, and y'all can watch me do that, and then y'all can just watch me fill these tubes. And I got these rose petals off of Amazon. I think they were like $10 or $11. I bought like 2 different kinds, but these are the ones I'm going to use for my lip oils. Then my other ones I'm saving for something else. So yeah, I got these off of Amazon. So let me tell y'all why I chose the oils that I did. So almond oil, it is really good for your lips. It helps dry chapped lips. It helps remove dead skin cells. And it just softens and moisturizes your lips and seals in moisture. Almond oil is really, really good on your lips, just period. But keep in mind, when you're using almond oil, you have to think about people who have like nut allergies and stuff like that. But almond oil is kind of in everything for real. So it's okay to use it, but just make sure when you're making products that contain these type of oils or any kind of oil, make sure you put your ingredients in your description so people will know that, okay, well, her lip gloss or her lip oil has almond oil, or, you know, it has jojoba oil. Because, you know, some people can't, you know, I keep saying, you know, but some people just can't use or be around like that type of oil. Some people might have a nut allergy, but the almond oil might not, you know, affect them. It just really depends. But just make sure you include all your ingredients in your description so your customers will know what's inside of your products. The next oil that I decided to use was coconut oil. Of course, everybody knows coconut oil is the bomb.com for your lips. It's so super hydrating. It's very moisturizing. It's rejuvenating for your lips. And it's like an antibacterial. So coconut oil is just really, really good for your lips as well. Vitamin E, it just brings the healthiness back to your lips. So vitamin E is something that's really, really good to add to any type of oil that you're going to use or any product. So that's why I chose these oils. And yeah, these oils are just very good together. Like, I've been trying this lip oil for a while and it's bomb. Like, I've been had these oils around, and when I was making lip gloss back in the day, I used to use these same exact oils in my lip gloss, and it feels so good on your lips. Like, all my lip gloss small business people know, like, these oils are bomb. So yeah, that's why I chose them. Okay, so here I am filling up some of my containers. I'm not going to show you guys how I fill up all of them because I don't want this video to be extra long. But I just like to be very detailed in my videos. But I know some of y'all don't like long videos. But I'm going to show like 2 or 3 that I fill up, and then we just going to skip into the finished product. So yeah, y'all can just watch me do this. And y'all, if y'all see these little tubes just laying on the counter, they just kept falling. Like, they was just not cooperating with me. They just kept falling, and I just let them just be. And for some of these, you might see them not filled up all the way. That's because I'm going to go back and fill them up, because the rose petals, they kind of like stop the oil from going down to the bottom. So once it's settled all at the bottom, then that's when I could see how much was in the tubes. So I went back and added more. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. My baby be cracking me up. But this is the finished product. Now it's time to wash these bad boys off, because I don't know if y'all seen, but I kind of made like a little mess. You can make a little mess when you're filling up tubes with anything. So you just want to make sure that you get all that oil or, you know, anything that's on your tubes off. You want everything to be as clean as possible. So that's what we're doing. We're just rinsing these off in this big bowl with soap and water. And then I'm going to wipe these down in alcohol later on, just to make sure that they're not sticky or oily or anything like that. This is the finished product. Aren't these so beautiful? These are available on my website at Kiluxuriousglamtique.com. These are only $4.99, and my website has launched. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming, and also I have lashes available as well to purchase. And yeah, aren't these just so cute? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys really enjoyed this video. I have more videos coming once again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.